Hey Titans, I hope you're all doing well. This is Candy. I'm going to take you through all the steps on how to copy this warm-up template so you can use it for your attendance. So the first thing is you're going to click on the link in the email or off the HyperDoc that says make a copy of it, and you're just going to hit make a copy. And this is something I personally would do this process every day when I'm making a new warm-up for every day. So now I've got a copy of a copy. It doesn't look very good, so I'm probably going to change the title. And I don't want the word template in my title, so I'm going to date it. So I'm going to say that this is my period, or this is my, I'm sorry, not period. I'm going to go by my course, Algebra 2 with trig. And I'm going to say it's the 8/14/20. I may put the date up front. Warm up. Okay, then, and notice it changed it there. So I didn't have, if I change it up here, I don't have to change it down here. It does it for me. And then basically we're collecting their ID number. If you've got the copy, you've already done your last name, your first name, the period's already there. If you want to ask them how they're doing today, that's great. If not, you can just delete the question. If you just want to do a traditional warm-up and then add the traditional warm-up there. It could be a writing prompt. It could be a math problem. Okay, or if you just want to ask how they're doing today and that's it, that's the warm-up, go ahead and then delete this question. Then the question is from here, how do you assign that to them so that they actually do it every day? So my recommendation would be that you train them that in Google Classroom, whether it's synchronous or asynchronous, you train them the first thing they do is the warm-up. And this way, if we do the warm-up, we've got attendance. We're going to hit, so I've already established a topic in this class called week 1, and I'm going to establish my Google Classroom by weeks. So every week I'm going to establish a new topic, and all the assignments for that week are going to go in there. So I'm going to hit create, and I'm going to call it a quiz assignment, because if I wanted to, I could go back here and I could change this Google form, not there, settings, and I could make it a quiz so it would be gradable. And that way that I could assign a point value to that one warm-up question if I wanted to. And it would hopefully, I could set it up to auto grade it for me if it was something that wasn't like a writing prompt. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use quiz assignment. And I'm going to title this for the Monday, here we go. Monday 8/14/20 warm up. If you want to emphasize it, do first. Okay. And then I'm going to say, please do warm up first. And then I'm going to get rid of this one here that was automatically came up, and I'm going to hit add, and I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and it should hopefully pop up in recent. And this is the one we just made, this Algebra 2 with trig. It probably would have been better for me to put the date first. I'm going to insert that. And then I'm still learning Google Classroom. So forgive me if I'm wrong. I'm going to adjust my points. And I'm going to say the due date is Monday, because I really want it on Monday. I think if I'm right, they'll still submit after that. I'm going to add it to my topic of week 1. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hit assign. And it's going to run through its thing. And then you'll notice when I click on this, it will tell me right now that 0 are turned in, but 29 are assigned. So as they start turning them in, you'll be able to see how many kids have still not turned it in. I hope this helps. If you need anything else, please email me. I will be attempting to get my classes set up this weekend.